Alright guys, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up the Solflare Wallet as a browser extension. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google Extensions, Chrome Web Store, chrome.google.com, and then search up Solflare. This should be the Solflare Wallet. Make sure that it's offered by the company Solflare and not some random suspicious user. Just to be sure, you should probably go to their website, solflare.com, add to Edge, Chromium, and then add to Chrome, add extension, and we wait for it to load. Okay. So now, once we launch it, you need to hit I need a new wallet. Write down your secret recovery phrase. You're not supposed to see this, but I don't care. You guys can steal my funds, whatever. I'll probably just do add a little bit of Solana to this one, just so you guys have an incentive to steal it from me. So now I have a backup. I saved it, and are you kidding me? Wait, can I just copy the entire thing and then? Oh my god, I'm so smart. Password. Password 123. Okay, password 123 is very secure. Trust me. No, I don't want to follow that. Alright. And now here I am in my Solflare account. So if I were to copy it, and now my account is actually all set up. So if I were to click on the browser extension in the top right corner over here, and I were to enter my password 123, now I can see that I have my Solana wallet. And now let's add some Solana to it so you guys have an incentive to steal from me. Alright, it's loading. We hit send. Solana. No, I don't want. Let's just send 10 cents worth of Solana. Yeah, 10 cents worth of Solana should be good. It'll show us enough about the wallet to see what we can do. Now we're sending, waiting for confirmation. Solana is incredibly fast. Really, really fast. Okay, why is this taking so long? I should have received it by now. Okay, wait. Don't tell me I sent it to the wrong thing. I sent it to that. Okay, we have a success. That is my Solana address. Oh, wait, okay, we're getting confirmations. For some reason, they were just taking a while. Okay, and now we've just received our 10 cents. So yeah, now we have our money in our Solana wallet. Go ahead, steal it. You guys saw my secret recovery phrase. I don't care. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. If you guys liked it, want to see more cryptocurrency videos, steal more money from me, etc., just subscribe, comment, follow everything.